Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial called Zbrush Step by Step. This one is the third episode. So today I want to do a really quick tutorial, guy. I want to show you just a few tools, really simple. So I want to show you how to duplicate your mesh, to insert another primitive or another object, to mirror it, and basically I want to show you the mask tool, only the basics, how to create mask, how to invert it, and how to remove your mask. So let's start with the mask. The mask is a really useful tool in ZBrush, and you can use it for many things. But let's see basically how it works. Basically, in a masked area, you won't be able to sculpt. So here I can try to sculpt, but you won't be able. Let's see it again. You see, basically, yeah, this is one of the most important things to know about mask. How to invert your mask. To invert your mask, just hold Control and click on the empty space in the viewport. How to remove it, hold Control and click and drag on the empty space. You can remove it. If you want to mask all your object, hold Control and click on the viewport area on the empty space. So you can also select an area to mask and just always hold Control to use mask and just select an area. And you can also smooth your mask. Just hold Control and click many times on your mask. So this is everything about the basics, how to create it, to remove it, to smooth it, to invert it, and yeah. But of course, mask, this tool is used for different stuff in ZBrush, and one of them is, which is, we will see this in the future, is, for example, how to create different groups in ZBrush. For example, let me show you this. You can mask you can mask an area in your object, and you can create another group. And this, I will show you this in the future, guy. So for the mask is everything for the moment. Okay guys, let's go now through the duplicate, insert and mirror tool. I want to show you these three tools because we're gonna use in the next episode to create the blockout of character. So my pen is not working. Second. Okay, still not working. All right, now it's working. Ctrl Z. All right, so let's start with the sphere. Press edit and convert it make it a polymesh 3D, and let's start to sculpt a bit this mesh. Let's modify it a bit. Move one. I'm gonna work in symmetry, so press 6. Let's see if can I activate this one. Okay, so press 6. Let's create a kind of torso. Okay, a kind of. All right. Now let's start to see how to insert another mesh. I want to create the neck basically. So to create the neck, I need to insert another objects. How to do that? So here under the subtool panel, we can find insert, and by clicking on insert, we can choose another primitive. Okay, it can be this one. All right, so now we know how to insert another primitive, and how you can see on the subtool panel, now we got two primitive, two object. The first one is the torso, and the second one is the neck. By pressing the A here, you can hide it. So now let's see how to create the shoulder, and of course we're gonna go through this in the next episode. We're gonna create a whole character, the block out of a character, but now I want, for example, to create just a simple shoulder, duplicate it and mirror it from the other side. So insert a sphere. Let's modify it a bit. Pam pam. Here we don't need to work in symmetry, because we're gonna work in symmetry when we're gonna mirror it. So let's think this is the shoulder. Okay, now I want to mirror it from the other side. How to do that? Okay, first I need to duplicate it, and now how you can see we got two shoulder, and under the deformation panel we can find mirror, and here you can see is the X, Y, Z. So choose X and mirror it. Now we got two shoulder, but we still got two different object in the scene. How to merge it? Let's see this one too. We can merge it by pressing merge. So choose the upper one and press merge down. Oh. And now by pressing X, you can work on with the symmetry activated, and you're gonna modify both the shoulder. You can smooth it. So this is all for this episode, guys. We start a bit with a block out, and I think in the next episode we're gonna continue with this to create the block out of the character, and we're gonna practice a bit all this tool: duplicate, mirror, insert. then yes, is this is everything. Please, guy, help me to grow up the channel, and make sure to subscribe and to put like, and see you in the next video, Zebra step by step. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next one, guy.